Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered why Hamster Kombat is partnering with so many different wallets? What does it mean for the future of the coin? And more importantly, how does it impact your profits? Let's break it all down today. A while back, Hamster Kombat introduced its initial partnerships with a couple of wallets, and people started preparing for what seemed like a promising airdrop. But now, things are escalating. Recently, they formed partnerships with even more wallets, including OKX, Bitfinex, and others. But here's the twist. Bitfinex isn't just any wallet. It's a specialized trading platform, meaning it's designed for market trading, price monitoring, and handling cryptocurrencies on a larger scale. So why does this matter? Well, something big happened that really caught my attention. Hamster Kombat's token is finally being prepped for official pricing. It's already being listed across multiple wallets, and contracts for the token are starting to open up. Now here's the kicker. People are buying these contracts, not necessarily us everyday users, but investors who want to secure a large chunk of the token before its full release. Now, you might be thinking, great, but what does that mean for me? Well, if the token is already seeing action before the airdrop, it's a pretty strong sign that the project is legit, and there will likely be a profit opportunity once the token officially lists. The last known price for the token before the official listing was around 0.08. But here's the catch. The price has been dropping slightly as we get closer to the airdrop. Currently, it's fallen by about 4.5%. But don't panic. This is normal. As we approach the official listing, prices tend to fluctuate because investors and traders are preparing for the launch. Some people are buying now to hold for later, while others are selling to avoid the risk of price drops. Once the token is officially listed, it's possible that the price could drop even further, potentially falling below 0.01. This happens because as soon as the listing goes live, the market opens up, and more people can buy or sell, leading to fluctuations in value. Now here's where it gets interesting for airdrop participants like us. Hamster Kombat is doing something unique with their token distribution. Instead of dumping all the tokens at once, which would crash the market, they'll distribute the tokens gradually over 2 years. Every 6 months, a specific amount of the token supply will be released to airdrop participants. Let's say, for example, they decide to release 200 million tokens every 6 months. This amount will be split among all users based on their contribution. What does this mean for you? If you've been earning tokens steadily every 6 months, you'll receive your portion based on the number of tokens you've accumulated. But don't expect all your tokens at once. It's a gradual process to protect the token's market value and prevent massive sell-offs that could tank the price. Another exciting development is Hamster Kombat's connection with Web3. For those unfamiliar, Web3 is essentially the decentralized web. It's responsible for dictating how bots interact with the platform, the price direction, and overall project stability. Web3 tracks engagement, transactions, and user activity to determine whether a project like Hamster Kombat is trustworthy enough to get listed on major exchanges. Hamster Kombat's current goal is to gain trust within the Web3 community. By partnering with more wallets and ensuring the project stays active, they're hoping to secure their position in the market and stabilize the token's price upon listing. So, what's the takeaway here? First, don't worry too much about which wallet you're using, whether it's OKX, Bitfinex, or Tunkeeper. If one wallet isn't available in your country, you can stick with what works for you, like Tunkeeper or Telegram. The important thing is to make sure your wallet is connected and ready for the airdrop. Second, focus on maximizing your hourly earnings from Hamster Kombat. The more you earn now, the bigger your share will be when the tokens are released every 6 months. Remember, it's not about getting rich overnight, but steadily growing your profits over time. To sum it up, Hamster Kombat is making some serious moves with new wallet partnerships, airdrop schedules, and a solid Web3 strategy. The token price might fluctuate, but these partnerships and gradual token releases are designed to protect the project's value. Just keep your focus on building your earnings and staying ready for the airdrop. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.